Today we will explore one of the most influential schools of thought in Western philosophy, Stoicism. Originating in ancient Greece around the 3rd century BCE, Stoicism has shaped ideas of virtue, resilience, and self-mastery for more than 2,000 years. Its teachings remain surprisingly relevant in our modern world. Part 1. Origins of Stoicism. Stoicism was founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium, who taught at a public space called the Stoa Poikile, or Painted Porch. From this location, the philosophy took its name, Stoicism. Later Stoic ideas were refined by 3 key Roman thinkers: Seneca, a statesman and advisor; Epictetus, a former slave-turned-teacher; and Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor. Together, their writings provide us with the foundation of Stoic philosophy that survives today. Part 2. The core principles of Stoicism. At the heart of Stoicism is the belief that we cannot control external events, but we can control how we respond to them. The philosophy can be summarized by 3 central teachings. 1. The dichotomy of control. Some things are within our control: our thoughts, our choices, our actions. Many things are outside our control: wealth, reputation, other people's behavior, and even our own health to some extent. Wisdom lies in focusing only on what is within our power. 2. Virtue is the highest good. For the Stoics, the only true good is virtue, which they defined as living in accordance with reason and nature. Virtue is composed of 4 cardinal qualities: wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. 3. Living in harmony with nature. Human beings are part of a rational universe, governed by order and reason. To live well, one must live in harmony with this natural order, accepting both fortune and misfortune with equanimity. Part 3. Stoic practices. Stoicism is not just theory, it is a way of life. Ancient Stoics developed daily practices to cultivate resilience and tranquility. These include negative visualization, imagining the loss of possessions, status, or even life itself, to appreciate the present and reduce fear of loss. Journaling and reflection, writing down thoughts at the beginning and end of each day to examine one's emotions and actions. Voluntary discomfort, occasionally practicing hardship such as fasting or exposure to cold, to strengthen the mind against future adversity. Mindful response, pausing before reacting emotionally and choosing a response guided by reason. Part 4. Relevance. Today. Although Stoicism was born in ancient times, its lessons are especially powerful in the modern world. In a society filled with stress, uncertainty, and constant change, Stoicism teaches us to remain calm in the face of challenges, to distinguish between what truly matters and what does not, to cultivate inner strength and peace, regardless of external circumstances. In fact, many modern approaches to mental well-being, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, were inspired by Stoic principles. In summary, Stoicism invites us to live with wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. It reminds us that while we cannot control what happens around us, we always control our response. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength."